Very often, my viewers and subscribers ask me, मैम मेरे ब्लीडिंग हार्ट में फ्लावरिंग क्यों नहीं हो रहे? ग्रीन foliage तो बहुत अच्छी है लेकिन flowers नहीं. So let's discuss on this agenda. At the very beginning, want to tell you I am not a botanist, but I know my plants very well. As well, I understand them and follow their life cycle. Among many bleeding heart plants, this is another plant of 1.5 years age. This plant did not flower yet, but there are some plants of 6-inch height only which have shown good flowering. But why does this happen? On all videos of bleeding heart, I always say that after the flowering is over, you should trim the stems. Look at this plant. This is hardly 6-inch tall and has flowers. Wherever I find space, I place the cuttings and they really grow. Whenever I prune the bleeding heart plants, I do not throw away the stems, but from there I make some perfect cuttings and place them in any pot randomly, and this is the result. But if your plant is growing longer and longer and has not flowered in a year or more, then what to do? Yes, this has also happened to me. I blindly, without any hesitation, prune the stems at the base without any fear. You also gather your courage and you can do the same. Of course, if you wish to do so. Earlier, I have found that the plants trail up long to a height of 12 feet and more, but they don't flower. Then I prune the stems, and to my surprise, the plant starts blooming. Then I experienced that if the cuttings are from the G1 or generation 1, then they will not flower at all. We have to cut that stem. Friends, let's not get into genetics and Mendelism. I wanted to show you that even I face the same problem. I did not prune these two plants and wanted to experience whether they flower or not, and I am for sure the plant will wind up to the top floor but will not bloom even the next year. Today or tomorrow I will cut the stems and watch the pot carefully. The same plant will give flowers after I prune the stems and will surely give you the follow up. This is another cutting that I planted beside hibiscus plant. Surely that was placed randomly. I do not follow any specific rules for growing my plants. I make cuttings and place them into my pots wherever there is space, maybe 50% survive. Very soon I will prune the branches and then new shoots will form. Later I will shift the plant to another pot. For bleeding heart, take your common garden soil mixed with cow dung compost, river sand, neem extract and some vermicompost. Want to tell you, as my region has very early monsoon, all the plants show flowering on the month of April. Do not let infestation to your plants. Make a routine of neem oil spray every after 20 days to your garden. So friends, if your plant has attained a height of 12 to 15 feet and showing no flowers for 10 months or a year, you can cut the branches and flowers will surely bloom. And do not throw away the stems. Take the strong stems, make 4-inch length and place them into soil beside the mother plant. After you prune the stems, add some amount of vermicompost and later add DAP after new shoots arise. That's all. Stay connected. Love from Garden Hill.